Let's talk about the pit chopper. I love the old pit chopper. These things work amazing. And the way they work is they have a piece of foam on them right here. You can see the piece of foam on them. And basically we can use these in a couple different ways. And you can see that it has two different angles. One is more for a 12-12 pitch roof or a 45-degree roof. And the other one is not. This is here is probably about a 612 right that we're on right now. I don't know for sure. I'll look it up on the pitch gauge later on. But this is a way that we can use this here. And even as we're working on the gutter, we can work with the pit chopper. Now, the one thing that I'll say is when we are working on this here, you're either on this pit chopper or you're not. And one thing is when you start leaning over, sometimes this pit chopper will slide on you. So we want to make sure that when we're using this pit chopper, that we're using it properly. The other thing is with this pit chopper is when we're standing on the pit chopper, we don't want our foot on and off the roof. We either all the way on this pit chopper or all the way off this pit chopper. This right here can cause it to want to kick, especially on a steeper roof. If we do this here, it will allow that to kick. When we're on a steeper roof, we're going to use this side, and so that is how we can use this on a steeper roof. The other cool thing about these pit choppers is as you're climbing up a roof, and you can use this as a handhold. You can use it as a handhold, and as we're climbing up the roof, you can use this as a handhold to be able to climb up the roof with the pit chopper. Obviously, the pit chopper is a tool. It's a way to get up to the peak of the roof as a first on, first off. And so we just got to be careful with the pit chopper. If it is a too steep of a roof, you're not comfortable on a roof, make sure you're using a harness. Make sure you are tied off if you are not comfortable on here. And you should be if you're taking a long time on it anyway. So make sure that you use all the safety precautions. Again, if you're not comfortable on a roof, don't get on a roof. Because if you're not comfortable, you'll do something stupid, and that can be a problem. So just some things to think about as we are being on the roof, making sure that we have roof safety. Again, it is important that you have the tools. Again, another thing with these pit choppers is, and I've seen people do, and it works well, but you can actually, we can sit on a roof with our knees and work on it, work wherever we want to work on with these pit choppers. These pit choppers, they cost you about $120 a piece, 110, 120, 130, depends on when you're watching this video. But again, these work awesome. They come in 24-inch or 30-inch. And the other thing about them too is they come in, they have the black ones, they have white ones with like red, white, and blue. I like the white ones because at night, these black ones, you can lose them on the roof and they're hard to find sometimes. So that's the only issue that you might have. And as this video goes on, you'll see us hanging Christmas lights, and we'll be using the pit chopper so you can see how to use the pit chopper.